Welcome to Kids Study Arena. Let's learn alphabets. A for apple. B for ball. C for car. D for drum. E for eyes. F for flower. G for grapes. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for quack. R for rainbow. S for star. T for tree. U for unicorn. V for violin. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zoo. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.